Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Julia and you are welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Welcome back and thank you for always coming back to my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious palm fruit soup, which is called banga soup in Nigeria. This soup is so easy to make and anyone can make it. And in my pot, I just have goat meat and I'll be adding blended onion to it. I like using blended onion in this soup instead of diced onion. You can do it any way you want, of course. And I'm just going to be adding my spices and herbs and allow the goat meat to cook till it's tender, not too tender. I don't like it to be too hard and I don't like it to be too soft. You can, of course, cook it the way you want it. It's your choice. Please support my channel by subscribing, sharing this video, and giving it a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. Help a girl to grow. Thank you. So after my goat meat is finished cooking, I'm going to be taking it out from the pot because I need the water from the goat meat. I did dissolve my palm fruits in a bowl. And this is the exact palm fruit I always do use. It comes with herbs and I love the aroma. What I did is I'll put it in a bowl and pour in water and allow it to rest before pouring it in my pot. I don't pour everything. When it gets to the down part, I leave that out because it has sand. So make sure you do that too. You pour it in a bowl, pour in water and allow to rest before pouring it back in your pot. So here I'm just adding my pepper spice. All I have there is peppers and onions, nothing much. And I did add my banga spices. This gives it a really good flavor. I did add some dried fish. I love dried fish because of the aroma it gives it. And I did add crayfish, dried crayfish that I did blend. So our banga soup is on the boil and I've tasted for salt and other spices and I realized that it's not spicy enough, so I'm just adding Cameroon pepper and some stock cubes to it and a little bit of salt and allow it to boil again. At this point, you want to add your protein. So now I'm adding back my goat meat and I will allow it to boil. And the trick in cooking this soup is if you see this foaming thing on top of it, you know it's not ready. So you still cook it till the foaming stuff is cleared. Then you know the soup is ready. So we still have the foaming stuff. So we are still going to let it cook for some minutes and yeah. At this point, you will know that your banga soup is ready. You can see the foaming part, it's all gone. So it's ready. So now I'm just going to be adding my dried scent leaves. You can use bitter leaf. I didn't have bitter leaf, so that's why I'm using scent leaves. And of course, I'm using the dried ones. You can use fresh one too. So now that our soup is ready, I'm going to be taking a taste of how the soup tastes. I hope you keep on watching to see that. Thank you for watching and keep on watching because after this, there will be a mukbang to taste how the soup is, if it was delicious or not. So hello back friends. Now our delicious food is ready. So let's take a bite. So this is my banga soup with some goat meat. Yes. And the aroma is so super. And I'm using GARRI. Yes, eba. I'm using the yellow garri. I made it into eba. So that's what we'll be having now. My hands are already washed. So let's dig in. I'm already swallowing. So. It's really nice. My mom will be proud of me. I made the soup really good, like she would do it. It's really, really nice. And you can see it was very easy to make. You just go to, if you are not in Nigeria, you just go to your local African shops and you get all the ingredients there. A little pieces of fish. I like my goat meat not too hard. Let me know, how do you like yours? I'm just using water. Let me know if you've tried out this soup before. And let me know where you are watching me from. I love reading your comments. So comment down below. An emoji is enough, like I will always say. So do comment down below. I love reading your comments. And if you have any questions, write it down and I'll reply. I'm so hungry. And the little pieces of dried fish I did add takes it to another level. And you can use this banga sauce too, palm fruit sauce, to eat your rice too. It goes well with it. Normally, the best combination for banga soup will be starch, but I don't like it. That's why I'm using this. There are some soups I like with pounded yam and some with garri, and this is one of them. I like banga and ogbono soup with garri. For me, it's the best. I don't know about you. It's good. This is how much I'm hungry. Oh, I think I'll be ending this video here. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did and you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Help your girl to grow. I will really appreciate that. And to my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to my videos. I really do appreciate it. And to the new subscribers in the house, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you will stay, because on this channel I do a lot of interesting things. I do vlogs, I do cooking, I do mukbangs. So yeah, it's always fun. Thank you for subscribing, and you are welcome to my channel. So I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.